Hello guys, Matix25 here, with another video about energy from unusual sources. Today I will test a few soft drinks to see which one gives more power. This video will make more sense if you first watch my previous video about green power. The first in our voltage soda test is regular cola. Let's see how much power it can produce. 0.96. Next in line to be tested is sugar-free cola. Let's see how much power it can produce. It's more or less than regular cola. 0.94 volts. It's less. Fanta produce 0.89 volts. That's more than fresh orange juice. The last one to be tested is Sprite. Let's see how much power it can produce. 0.92 volts. That's more than lemon juice. Here are the results of our tests. On the first place, regular cola with 0.965 volts. On the second place, sugar-free cola. When Sprite and cola are connected in series, they produce 1.8 volts. Can they power LED? Yes, they can. I've changed the zinc rod with aluminium one. Will this combination of aluminium and copper produce more or less power? Aluminium and copper gives 1.58 volts. That's less than zinc and copper combination. Now I'm going to build a bigger and better battery using copper and aluminium foil. I'm folding these foils together as you see on screen. And I need 13 of these foils to connect 14 cells in series. Here is how the foil should be placed in the tray. The foils are in place and the batter is ready to be filled with cola. You can see that I'm pouring soda on all 14 cells. As you can see here, we have a problem. We have low voltage. That's because the cells are connected with cola. Removing the soda in excess improves the voltage, but not enough. So the next step to increase voltage is to add salt. As you can see, after adding salt, voltage is gradually increasing and increasing until stabilizing at 6.8 volts. After a few minutes, the voltage decreased to 6.5 volts. I tried to add more salt, but it didn't work. In the end, my battery did not produce as much electricity as I hoped it would, but it can still power 2 blue LEDs. Thanks for watching, and drop a comment if you use other soft drinks to make batteries.